Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp download fail error problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. I hope solve your problem. Now step 1, first check if your Wi-Fi or data is turned on. Step 2, now go to your phone setting and WhatsApp clear cache or allow all permission. Step 3, update your WhatsApp. Now search WhatsApp. WhatsApp already updated. And finally step 4, now restart your device. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.